Hi everyone, it's Marina here. Let's take a piece of craft cardstock to make a wonderful pop-up card. We score on 2.5, 5, 7.5 and 10 inches. We turn the paper 90 degrees and score on 2.5 inches till the third horizontal line. We want to have at the end 6 equal squares. We need 2 pieces of the same cardstock and we score both of them on the long side at 1/2 and 3 inches. Now I am going to cut this part with my scissors. This card is absolutely adorable, especially if we make one for a birthday party or a baby shower. It's like an exploding box, so funny and so easy to make it. Let's decorate now with scrapbook papers. I used for this project the paper collection Sentimental Story by Fabrica Decoru. I bought a pack of cutouts to make my life easier, so the most elements you see me sticking down are ready cutouts and some of them just fuzzy cutting from the paper pad. So, you can see that I'm using some craft strips, and I'm doing that because I want to give height to my elements, and that helps me a lot. Of course, you can use transparent strips as well, and for me that's the best idea, but I didn't have on my stash, so I used craft strips. That was for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!